Okay, now, so you have the problem, same as mine, where you disconnected the battery on your car, and then when you start it up again, and then this is the screen you get welcomed with, which is looking for some unlock code. Now, how to get it? Let's have a look what to do. First, keep this one pressed, and simultaneously now turn on and off the parking light 3 times. Okay, so what happens is once you start, keep this one pressed, and then once that message comes up on the screen, and then you keep this one pressed, and then go to your light in here, make sure you are in auto, and then you go to parking light about 3 times, and then once you do that, you get this screen. So now we click that one and that one, and then keep a note of this ERC code. Now we will need to put this one in ERC generator to get you an unlock code. So keep a note of it. You could take a photo or something. Okay, so once you input the ERC code, this will disable your security, which means now it's all okay to use. So let's have a look whether it has done the job. So let's go back to the main screen. I think it's gonna restart and then see how it goes. Yeah, quick setup. I think you just need to translate the language and should be okay. Alright, so this is now okay. Now we can just set up our Bluetooth and everything. So the security is now uplifted. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put the links to the website that creates your ERC codes. Thank you.